Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Podcast. Today, Mrs. Grace will talk about something that touches almost every person. Please find a quiet place, relax, and enjoy today's Slow English Podcast. Mrs. Grace, the microphone is yours.
Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back. I'm very happy that you're here today. Find a quiet place, take a comfortable seat, relax your shoulders, take one slow breath, and let's spend a few peaceful minutes together. Today's topic is simple, but it touches almost everyone. Why do we compare ourselves to other people? When I was young, I often looked at other people. I looked at their success, their beautiful homes, their good jobs, their happy smiles, and sometimes I quietly asked myself, why is my life not like theirs? Maybe you have asked yourself the same question. Today, it is even easier to compare ourselves. We open our phones, we look at social media. We see happy families, beautiful vacations, perfect meals, new cars, successful businesses, smiling faces. Everything looks perfect, but is it really perfect? The answer is usually no, because we only see one small moment, one picture, one video, one smile. We do not see the difficult days, the lonely nights, the failures, the tears, the fear. Every person has a story that we cannot see. I once knew a woman who always smiled. Everyone believed she had the perfect life. One afternoon, we sat together drinking tea. She looked at me and quietly said, "Mrs. Grace, sometimes I smile because I don't want people to know how tired I really am." That day, I learned an important lesson. A smile does not always tell the whole story. So when you compare yourself to someone else, remember this. You're comparing your everyday life to someone else's best moment, and that is never a fair comparison. Sometimes the person you admire is secretly wishing for the peace that you already have. Life is full of surprises. Instead of asking, "Why am I not like them?" try asking, "Am I becoming a better person than I was yesterday?" That is the only comparison that truly matters. You don't need to walk someone else's path. You have your own story, your own dreams, your own time. A flower does not become beautiful by growing faster than another flower. It becomes beautiful because it blooms at the right time. And people are very much the same. So today, before you leave, I'd like you to remember just one sentence. Don't compare your beginning to someone else's middle. Keep learning, keep growing, one small step every day. And one day, you will look back and smile at how far you've come. Thank you for spending these peaceful moments with me. Take care, be patient, be kind, and remember, your journey is unique.
Thank you, Mrs. Grace. That was a beautiful reminder. And thank you for listening. If you enjoyed today's Slow English Podcast, don't forget to come back for the next episode. Until then, take care, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. Goodbye.